Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do question number 8 to 10 of workbook of chapter number 1. Question number 8. 1. Explain each of the following statements. A. Houses in hot countries are often painted white. Beta, white or silvery surfaces are poor absorber because they reflect most of the radiation. That is why in hot sunny countries, houses are often painted white to keep them cool inside. B. Car radiators are painted matte black. Black surface is better emitter of thermal radiations than the shiny surface. Cars are provided with radiators so that they can reject heat. If the radiator is painted black, the heat rejection rate increases and hence cools the engine efficiently. C. Anyone standing near a bonfire feels a draught. Convection causes the air movement. The air over the fire is heated and being lighter rises quickly. Cool air is sucked into the fire at the bottom to fill the vacuum, creating the draught. D. If you stand in front of an open refrigerator, you get cold feet. Cold air is more dense than the room temperature air, so it drops to the ground level where bare feet get cold. E. Birds fluff out their feathers in winter. Feathers are good insulating material. By fluffing its feather, a bird traps many tiny pockets of air to hold in body heat and keep out the cold. F. A saucepan has a copper bottom but a plastic handle. Copper is good conductor. The copper bottom helps spread the heat quickly and evenly into the pot and the food inside the pot. The plastic handle is an insulator, preventing the heat from the pot from reaching and possibly injuring the hand holding the pot. G. Someone feels cold in a string vest but warm if they wear a tight shirt over it. In a string vest, the body heat trapped in air cushion in between, whereas if we wear a tight shirt, it cannot hold air inside and body feels warm. H. Glider pilots gain height by flying over large plowed fields. Plowed fields are dark and absorb heat from the sun. This warms the air above, causing convection currents, which the glider pilot can use to gain height.